Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Tovala Smart Oven, a high-tech countertop oven that doubles as a smart cooking appliance and pairs with Tovala's meal delivery service for nearly effortless meal prep. This oven is designed to scan, cook, and perfectly time meals without guesswork, making it attractive for busy people or anyone who wants quick, tasty dinners without much fuss. One of the biggest selling points is its smart features. It uses QR codes or app instructions to automatically set time, temperature, and cooking mode, like steam, bake, broil, toast, air fry, etc., so you don't need to adjust settings manually. Testers, including sources like Forbes, found that this automation works well and can deliver consistent results with many dishes, especially when paired with Tavala's meal kits. The oven preheats quickly, has decent interior capacity for everyday meals, and the steam function in the Pro model helps keep proteins juicy and flavorful. But it's not perfect. Independent reviews and user feedback are mixed. Some owners praise the convenience and simplicity, while others report occasional connection issues with the app or unexpected malfunctions over time. Temperature stability can vary, meaning some baking or air frying results aren't as even or reliable as higher-end ovens, and the meal service, while convenient, adds a recurring cost that may not make sense for everyone. Overall, the Tovala Smart Oven excels at hands-off, quick cooking for small households or busy lifestyles, but it may not replace traditional ovens for larger families, precise baking, or users who cook a wide variety of foods regularly. Bottom line, the Tovala Smart Oven is a great convenience appliance if you value automation, simplicity, and pairing with curated meals, especially for singles or couples. It's less ideal for large households, frequent home chefs who need precision, or anyone trying to save money by cooking everything from scratch on their existing oven.